Hello aspirants, I wish you all the best for the coming prelims exam. At this point of time, I don't think there will be any new strategy you can implement. Just follow with what you have done all these days, and at the same time, keep your head calm. See, UPSC is a long journey, it's a long battle. Rather than the momentum, it is the calm that will help you in the exam hall. So what you should be doing right now is don't think about anything. Okay, be adaptable to whatever question paper comes up. So this is called as adaptability. As Bruce Lee talks about, empty your mind. So right now, don't allow all the thoughts to flow in your mind, because this will distort and create a lot of anxiety. Better would be be open for the exam. Just go to the exam hall with a clear mind. Clear mind in the sense, like, don't think about previous paper, don't think about CSAT, don't think about any other aspect other than just playing a game, that is exam right now. So when you're playing a game, you are into the game. So here also it is, you're into the question paper and just solve it. It is a one-day game, and don't bring in your emotions into it. So UPSC actually teaches you to handle fear, handle greed, handle emotions. So once you have learned all this, you're already victorious. There is nothing like you thinking about future at this point of time. Once again, I wish you all the best. Keep all the thoughts away, go with a clear mind, and rest would be decided. Let's see what happens. Wish you all the best. Thank you.